Garlic is really quite simple to grow and is a great addition to recipes. Garlic has been known for hundreds of years to have a medicinal value, which is the reason many people like to eat it raw or include it with numerous delightful dishes. Garlic is made up of cloves, which you must separate before sowing. The first thing you must do is break apart the garlic cloves to sow into the soil. The soil must be loose for the best results. Garlic grows really well in direct sunlight, so be sure that the sun will shine bright on your garlic. In this video, I am showing the garlic that I started growing in the fall of 2019. Planting your garlic in the fall or early winter is the best time. November seems to be a popular month to begin. Sow your garlic with the clove tip up and the root side down. Space your garlic apart about 6 inches from each other. Cover up your soil and then add a little mulch to help retain moisture and prevent weeds. Your garlic will begin to grow slowly, and come springtime, your garlic will be ready to harvest. Planting garlic in the fall is the best time. Usually November is the best time in my zone, which is 6B. Just sow the garlic with the tip pointing up and the root side down. Be sure to space your garlic cloves 6 inches apart. Your garlic will begin to grow, and in late spring, it should be ready to harvest. Harvest time will come in the late spring. When you inspect the garlic, look for the color of the bottom half of it. When the leaves turn brown, it is time to harvest.